guys, welcome back to our channel Fabulous Food. Today I'll be making some lapsi, and here I have a new flour here, so I'll be using some of this for my cake and pastry. It's a new one, just came out, so I'll just use a cup here to make a little bit of lapsi. And I have my nana ghee over here, carnation, condensed milk, and quarter teaspoon of cardamom powder. So I'll be just using 1 cup of flour to make this. And I would like to wish everyone a happy Ramnavni. Today's Ramnavni. So I would like to wish all my family, friends, all who celebrate Ramnavni today. Happy Ramnavni. So in my bowl here I have 1 cup of flour. Add in 1 carnation. 1 cup of warm water, a can of condensed milk. Mix everything together. And I'll be using my cardamom powder, quarter teaspoon. So I have half a bottle of nana ghee. So I'll pour this in. Lapsi is one of the easiest things to make. So easy. Just pour the ghee there. Already mixed the flour, carnation milk, condensed milk, and cardamom powder with a cup of water. So now I'll strain this. With all the excess out there. Lapsi don't take a long time, it just take a little bit, like 2 minutes. Check it out here. Happy Ramnavni to everybody. Looking good. Smells good too. The ghee smells so good. So I took my stove off and I'll just keep stirring here. Looks good. Anyways guys, check out my lapsi here. Looking so nice. Anyways, thank you for watching so much. I hope how you like my lapsi comes out. See you in my next video. Happy Ramnavni to everybody. Bye bye. Check it out here. Looks good.